Hello friends, today I am going to share very important question and answer related to HVAC. Today I am going to discuss what are the major components used in VRV and VRF systems. So friends, must watch this video till end, it could be very helpful. So let's start. So point number 1, outdoor unit, it's inverter based compressor. And point number 2, indoor units, it could be cassette AC, it could be a split AC, ductable AC. And point number 3, branch selector or ref nets, that is also called Y joint. And point number 4, electronic expansion valves components, that is also called EEV. And point number 5, communication wiring. Point number 6, refrigerant piping network. Point number 7, condensate drainage system. And point number 8, controller or PCB. These are the major components used in VRV or VRF systems. So friends, I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.